everybody, welcome to the show. Today we're cooking up something really fun.
Wait, did you say cooking? This doesn't look like food.
It's not gonna be for us, Sam. Come on, let's get started. We're going to make a kitchen first.
Huh? Are you calling that a rolling pin? You need a Super Sam rolling pin. Patent pending.
Okay. Be careful, Sam, or you might get dizzy.
Couldn't you say that earlier, Roger? I think I need to lie down.
That sounds like a good idea, and I'll take care of this.
Thanks. I just need the room to stop spinning.
Poor Sam. I hope he's okay. Let's let him rest for a bit. And I've got some special clay here. It's got glitter in it. Awesome! We all need a little sparkle in our lives. Don't you think so, Sammy?
What do I think? I think my spinning days are over.
I don't believe it. I never thought this day would come.
You're right, Roger. The world deserves to see me spin.
That's the spirit. Now, this can go on top of the blue clay. I just need to line it up perfectly. There we go. Looks good. I'm going to make a water effect with this white clay.
Wait, is this going to be an indoor pool? Awesome!
No, it's going to be a kitchen sink, Sammy. Look closely.
I better get my swimming gear. I'll be right back.
He never listens to me. Okay, that's the first part of the kitchen, and it's ready. Now, I can wash some vegetables for dinner. The strawberry looks nice and juicy. One strawberry isn't going to be enough. Let's have a crunchy carrot, too.
I'm ready to make a splash.
No, Sam, it's not real water. Don't do it.
I can't resist. Cannonball. That was a great swim.
I'm so confused. It's not a real sink. Well, so why was there so much water?
It's one of life's little mysteries, Roger. What can you do?
I guess you're right. Anyway, we've got a kitchen to finish. If we're making a meal here, we're going to need somewhere to cook it.
It's like you read my mind. I'm already working on it.
Oh, all that swimming of yours made me hungry. But unfortunately, this isn't going to be real food that we're making. It's a craft, remember? I mean, we can't eat modeling clay. What a shame, though.
You're right. What a shame.
I'll make some food for us after we're done here, so don't worry. Wait! Where's my second ring of clay? It was right here.
Woohoo! Round and round it goes.
Oh, I should have known. Why don't you cut some silver triangles, Sam?
I won't let you down.
I'm ready for the triangles, Sam. Where are they?
Call me Count Sam.
It seems like this vampire needs to visit a dentist.
This never happened to Dracula. It is so humiliating.
It's okay, Sammy. You like too much garlic to be a vampire anyway. We need to be able to control the heat so that we're able to cook the food.
Now we shall cook the egg. I call this dish eggs a la Samuel. It is, how do you say, ready.
But where are we going to put it? We need a plate.
Don't worry, Roger. I'll take care of it too. How hard can it be? Here it goes.
My way might be easier, Sammy. Don't you think?
Whoa, look at it go. I think it's out of control.
Be careful. You don't want to make a mess.
Look out, the clay is airborne. Well, that's never coming back. So, what are you doing, Roger?
I'm making a decoration for the plate. Check this out. Pretty cool, huh? This blue will look great against the white of the plate.
The plate? Sure. I'm just gonna take a few pieces of it.
What are you doing, Sammy?
Nothing at all. Trust me.
Trust you? That's when I start to worry.
I feel fabulous. The blue really brings out my pink complexion.
Wow, who needs a salon when you've got modeling clay? Cool. It's time to start cooking. There's gonna be some tasty food. We're gonna make a juicy burger. I'll start with the bun.
Did someone say burger? I love burgers.
I knew you'd hear that. You're just in time, Sammy. Let's see. Ah, the bun is nice and crispy. Very well.
I'm impressed, Roger. You make it look so easy.
Thanks, Sammy. I've been working on my cooking skills, you know.
Okay, now we need to make the juicy patty.
You should be grilling that, Roger. I'm a barbecue master. I was the best of the best in Tibby-Dubba.
Why do you always burn all the hot dogs then?
How dare you, Raj? I am hurt and offended.
Okay, if I need any tips, I'll definitely come to you.
It's all under control. That's how I get the smoky flavor.
This burger needs some cheese. How's it going over there?
I gave up on my grilling career. There was an incident.
That's okay. These things happen. You can help me with these burgers if you want.
Whoa, this cheese has got some holes in it. It's like the mice have been eating it.
Luckily, there's no mice around here.
Squeak, squeak. That's what Roger thinks. Squeak.
You look good, Sammy. Although I guess now you should better look out for the neighbor's cat. A nice tasty tomato. This burger is gonna be huge.
It's missing lettuce, but I'll fix that.
Thanks, Sam. What would I do without you? Here, let me help you. It's a little tricky. It looks crunchy, Sam. I'm glad you were doing this. And our burger is ready.
Whoa, I love it. I could eat it right now, but I must resist.
We're going to create a whole banquet today.
It'll be a feast for the ages. We will talk about it for generations.
That's exactly what I'm going for. We should make some fruit. This is going to be a healthy meal.
I was thinking we could serve fish. I just hope I get a nibble.
Good idea, Sam. If you do that, I'll work on the fruit. Let's make the strawberry look more realistic. Now this is much better, but it needs a lot more. A nice crunchy carrot is here. Yummy.
A carrot? Huh, that's rabbit food.
You know you have to eat your veggies to stay healthy.
Ew!
Anyway, I've almost finished the fruit. How's that fishing going?
The fish are being stubborn, but I'm not giving up. Do you hear me, you fish?
That's the spirit, Sam. Don't give up. My mouth is starting to water. This is going to be excellent. Ha! Sam isn't the only one that can make jokes. I'm ready for the fish. Sammy? I guess I'll have to make the fish myself. Okay. That's much easier than fishing. Sam, wake up! You caught a huge fish.
I did? I mean, I did, obviously.
It was never in doubt, buddy.
Wow! This all looks great, Roger, but there's nothing to drink.
How about a cool glass of milk? Now we can finally relax.
Not quite, Roger. I thought it would be a shame to waste all this food, so I invited some friends around for dinner.
Oh, that's so nice of you. You're a good friend. But why are you wearing a suit?
Well, I thought we'd be the waiters. I mean, we can't eat the clay food, can we?
Then we better get started. We don't want our guests to be hungry. Here you go, Barbie. And this is for you, Mr. Teddy Bear. What? Do you like it? Here comes the food.
We made a great kitchen. Subscribe to our channel if you like it.
And see you soon.